Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Arts. In our previous class, we have discussed about quick selection tool. Today we will learn about the next tool, which is magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is located next to the quick selection tool and its shortcut is W. Magic wand tool selects the color of the pixel which is clicked and matches it with the similar colored pixels and makes the selection. With the magic wand tool selected, if you want to select this yellow colored part in this picture, just click at any part of this yellow region. You can see the tool has detected and sampled the color of the pixel which we have clicked and selected the similar colored pixels in this yellow region. We can also move this selection. Just move your cursor inside the selected area and with the help of mouse button you can move this region, or you can also use your arrow buttons. Similar to our previous selection tools, Magic Wand tool is also having the same options: add to selection, subtract from selection and intersect with selection. I will hold shift and try to add few more pixels to our selection. Hold shift button and click on the orange region. By holding alt button we can subtract unwanted pixels from the selection. Okay. Now moving to the next options in Magic Wand tool: sample size, tolerance, anti-alias, contiguous and sample all layers. First, let us discuss about sample size. In sample size, there are few more options: point sample, 3x3 average, 5x5 average and many more. The first option is point sample. With this option selected, the Magic Wand tool samples the pixel which is clicked and matches with the similar colored pixels and makes a selection. Just like this. But when this option is set to 3x3 average, I will zoom in into this picture to explain clearly. These small square symbols are known as pixels with which an image is created. So when this sample size is set to 3x3 average, the Magic Wand tool selects all the 3x3 pixels around the clicked pixels and makes the selection. Similar to 3x3 average, 5x5 average is also the same. The Magic Wand tool selects all the 5x5 pixels around the clicked pixel and makes the selection. But what does average mean in this option? Sometimes the pixel which is clicked and the surrounding pixels may not have the same color shades. So what does the tool do is, it takes all the pixel colors as the average and makes a sample of it, and then it matches with the similar colors in the image to make a selection. Let us set this value to 5x5 average. Now, if you click on this particular pixel, let us zoom out. You can see it has sampled this particular pixels in a 5x5 average and it has made a selection in this image. Usually We leave this option to point sample for easier selections. Now moving towards the right, the next option is tolerance. Tolerance is how much brighter or darker shade of color the tool selects after you click on an image. With the tolerance set to 0, I will zoom in a little. If you make a selection, you can see it has made a very tiny selection. Now, if you set the tolerance value to a higher number, for example 60, now if you make a selection, you can see it has selected maximum color shades in this orange region. So that is the importance of tolerance. The next option is anti-alias. When this option is checked, the tool gives us smooth edges of the selection. Click Q to preview the selection. Zoom in a little bit. You can see smooth edges to our selection. Click Q to revert back. Ctrl D. Now, with the anti-alias option unchecked, if you make a selection, click Q to preview it. You can see it gives us pixelated edges. The next option is contiguous. To explain about this, let us create one more color here. Now in this image we have two yellow colors which are divided by the orange color. Switch back to the magic wand tool. When the contiguous option is checked, if you try to select this yellow color in this image, it selects only this particular region of yellow color, because this region and this yellow region is divided with an orange color. With contiguous option unchecked, if you try to make the selection, it selects all the yellow color shades in this particular region. Moving to the right, the next option is sample all layers. This option is the same as we discussed in our previous class, so I am not going to repeat this again. I hope you have understood this class. So thanks for watching, and let us meet in our next class. Bye bye.